We are out for our morning walk. There's Bailey, of course. I wanted to show the park. So there's the sign for the park, Riverland Rv Resort. Almost turned down the wrong road until a man yelled at me. So here's our site from this way. I mean, it's really wide for this site. Now, the two sites between the two other RVs is a little narrow. There were people that pulled in really late last night, and they were so close to us, but they pulled out this morning, so it's nice and quiet again and no noise. So this is the way into the park, and so you can see the signs. So there's this sign right here, and we stopped and we're like, okay, which way do we go? So I went to start making a left when a nice gentleman from this house right here yelled out, don't, because if I would have turned, I would have ran into that tree down there. And so luckily we stopped and I was able to go all the way down to where the office is. They need better signage. The office, which is on the right, and then if we keep going straight is the drive to the restaurant. Looks so birdie. There's some geese out on the, just hanging out. The water's slowly getting over here and looking like a lake. We're out on the walking path that goes around the lake. And then we're gonna walk over to the Kings River. Bailey likes to walk in the water over there. So we'll probably film that too. Hello, geese. You don't have to run away. It's okay. I'm not gonna chase you.
Oh no, we've got a cave in.
And there goes Bailey right into the water. Boy, Bailey. Always find it interesting how he shakes in the water. Doesn't accomplish anything. The bar and grill here at the park has ribs, chicken, dredged, brisket, pulled pork, and it smells fantastic. There's outside seating that overlooks the river. Really nice. Yes. Last night we had some really, really tough winds, and the tree, the wind was just blowing the branches. Oh yeah, there's the tree. It's got a couple widows makers up there. We told the park about it. So the branches came down on the RV, and it just, one of the branches caused a dent. But Neil went up, removed all the branches, and cleaned off the slides, and said no damage.
Yep, no holes, luckily.
Thankfully. So the park has a lake, and when we arrived, there was no lake right here. It actually was on the other side, and they dredged I've been dredging, I guess, and they've slowly been moving the water over. So I want to show you, there's the tractor and the dredger. I'm going to show you that. This tractor is huge, and I wasn't sure if that was a dredger when I walked past it, but Neil says, yep, it's a dredger. I've got that inside. He would have to tell you how it worked. He told me how it worked yesterday. But the tractor itself is huge. So I'm gonna stand next to this tractor to show how big it is. Look at the tires. And then this thing, oh my God, it's just huge. I don't think I've ever seen anything this big or stood next to something this big. It's kind of cool looking. I'd like to see it working, actually. I just came over and did the like a selfie with it, with the camera. What?
This is a weight up front. Remember
Oh.
how Jeremy was pulling wheelies?
Yeah, oh, that's
Because he
right.
didn't have enough weight in the front.
Right. I remember that. Oh, so pretty. Look at all the horses. We don't even know how deep it is, but I guess he'll learn. He's crazy. Happy boy. We're freezing and he goes in the freezing water. So we are heading back. I think we're gonna call this video, and I will do another video in a few days.